Shortcake can either be a cake or biscuits, and the Japanese version is a sponge cake. I am making the lightest, airiest sponge cake of all, an angel food cake. And for that, I need a lot of eggs, specifically egg whites. Now, an angel food cake is super light and fluffy, but it doesn't have any baking soda or baking powder in it. It just has egg whites. This is what's gonna give my cake all that light, fluffy lift. So I'm just adding a little bit of vanilla. I wanna keep all the air in these eggs, so when I put my flour in, I'm gonna fold it very gently. Just scoop under, be really gentle with those eggs. If I punctured all those little bubbles, I'd have a flat cake. Now all the flour's in, it's ready for my pan. Now it's important not to have a greased pan because these egg whites need to stay fluffy and the oil would deflate all the little bubbles. Just smooth that out and it's ready for the oven. So the cake looks great. It's bouncy and airy, and the tip with angel food cake is to invert it right after it comes out of the oven and let it cool off, just like that. That'll help keep it springy and bouncy and it won't deflate. The decorations on this cake are simple, just whipped cream and strawberries. So my cake is cooled. Let's check it out. Oh, looks good so far. And nice. Now for my strawberry shortcake, I want 2 layers, so I'm gonna cut this cake in half, very carefully. And I'm just gonna carefully take the top layer off so I can decorate the inside. Now in Japan, strawberry shortcakes are eaten on all kinds of occasions, but mostly we eat them on Christmas. In fact, it's actually called Christmas keiki in Japan. And at Christmas time, we actually eat fried chicken and strawberry shortcake. That's a normal Japanese Christmas meal. And of course, I want to make it look beautiful when I cut this open. So I'm even gonna take time to arrange the interior strawberries beautifully. It'll look great when I cut it. On Christmas in Japan, we actually go on dates. It's not a family holiday, it's a holiday for sweethearts. Just take a look at that. It's so pretty, I don't want to cut it, but my stomach is telling me otherwise. Oh, it feels super light as I'm cutting it. I can tell this cake is light and airy. Sweet whipped cream, tart strawberries, and a light, and an airy angel food cake. It's very delicately sweet, just the way the Japanese like it. Now that is a Japanese strawberry shortcake.